Have you ever driven past a soybean field and wondered how many beans will actually come out of that field? To do this, you want to go to a soybean field, but don't forget your trusty hula hoop. You'll want to throw the hula hoop into the field 3 different times. You'll go and count how many soybean plants are inside the hula hoop. We counted 10 our first try. And then we'll do that 3 more times and add them all together to figure out how many plants are inside that area on average. On our throws, we counted 10 plants, 9 plants, and 14 plants. We'll add these all together to figure out that our average number of plants inside the hula hoop was 11. Then we'll want to take our hula hoop and measure the inside diameter, which we got as 29.5 inches. This helps us use this chart to figure out what factor we would want to multiply by to figure out how many plants are in an acre. We're going to use the factor on this chart to determine how many plants we would have in an acre. An acre is 43,560 square feet. We determined that we would have 97,658 plants per acre in this field. So when we're trying to figure out the yield estimate of our soybean fields, we took our hula hoops and threw it into the field 3 times. We've counted how many plants were inside and figured out that we averaged 97,658 plants per acre in this field. Now a soybean plant has these pods on them, and inside each pod is usually 3 beans. We're going to assume that each plant will have about 50 soybeans on it. So we're going to take our 97,658 number of plants and multiply it by 50 to determine how many beans there would actually be in an acre. On average, 1,500 soybeans weigh 1 pound. So we're going to divide that number by 1,500 to figure out how many pounds of soybeans we'll have. A bushel of soybeans weighs about 60 pounds, so we're going to divide that number by 60 to figure out that our field would average 54.25 bushels per acre.